Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do leave your comments as to how you feel the readings are. It will make me happy. It will also encourage me to bring in more such readings. Now, coming to today, I feel the color today is pure black. I don't know why I feel black. Maybe you people need a lot of protection around you. That's why the color black is coming. Also, if possible, in the morning or in the evening, chant the Hanuman Chalisa. When you're chanting the Hanuman Chalisa, burn a lamp of gingerly oil with gingerly oil in front of you and then do the chanting of Hanuman Chalisa. And today in the morning, if you can add a little bit of milk to your bath water and have a bath followed by your usual bath, it will be good for you and you will feel a different sort of energy around you. And let's see now what is in store today for you. Okay, that's a beautiful card. Not so black and white. So I felt I should take the last and the first card. So I'm doing that today. Here and now. So not so black and white and here and now. Sometimes we think that what has happened is not right, but actually it is right, but we don't feel it is right. So sometimes basically what I'm saying is whatever happens for good, and whatever we learn in our everyday life, it is some lessons which need to be learned so that we can put an end to unwanted things or unwanted people, and then we bring in clarity in our lives. Now coming to here and now, so I feel it's a card which says just don't worry about anything and stop fearing. Maybe some of you have the fear. You need to start working on what you need and start planning. Even sometimes it is said that we worry for our everyday living, we worry for finances, and we stop living at the moment. But when we start living at the moment and when we surrender everything to the divine, then the God has different plans for us, and he on his own will make ways in such a way that we are able to get what we want and we are able to handle situations in a much better way. So overall the card is saying to stop worrying and just live for the moment. Whatever you need, you will get at the right time and at the right moment. It is just that because of your worries, you are not getting what you want and the process is getting delayed. So surrender to the divine and live today, live happily, and keep smiling, and don't worry about tomorrow, because whatever happens tomorrow, let's live for today and let's just be happy that we have a beautiful life and we have everything which many people also don't have. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.